Have you heard about the events that occur at Midorigaoka Junior High School at 222 a.m.? The tale of 91 girls in red uniforms, and the 92nd presents they await. Is this someone's documented account? Or just another urban legend? Tonight, we'll uncover the truth. A chilling rumor has been spreading about a junior high school in the suburbs of Tokyo. Midorigaoka Junior High School, in the third floor girls' bathroom of this 50-year-old school building. There have been frequent sightings of a girl in a red uniform. Where is Masaki? Many students have witnessed this girl, wandering from stall to stall, asking this question. These appearances are particularly common between 222 a.m. and 227 a.m. during full moons. According to old school records, a student named Masaki Sato transferred to the school on May 3, 1974, only to disappear that summer. Strangely, her uniform had turned completely red. Since then, similar incidents have reportedly repeated every 20 years. 1994, 2014, and now 2024. In each case, a student named Masaki Sato transferred in on May 3rd, only to vanish before summer's end, and each time, 30 students disappeared along with her. The school janitor tells of strange sights during his night rounds. He claims to see girls in red uniforms dancing in a circle in the schoolyard. It starts with one, gradually increasing until there are 91. They all have the same face. Security cameras occasionally capture inexplicable footage. Girls in red uniforms walking through the school building late at night. Yet, there's never any footage of them leaving. Such recordings have reportedly occurred every 20 years. The elderly residents of the area say there used to be a Shinto shrine on this land. Interestingly, the shrine's Miko Shrine Maiden was also named Masaki Sato. In 1852, she reportedly vanished during some kind of ritual. Before her disappearance, she left these words: "To seal the power of this land, I shall be reborn across 7 eras. Each time, I must gather 30 souls. In the 7th and final time, all souls shall become one." Among current students, an even more terrifying rumor circulates. They say Masaki appears if you perform the following actions. In a third-floor bathroom stall, enter at 222 p.m. Knock 3 times. Say, "Masaki-san, are you there?" 3 times. Then, they say, a girl in a red uniform appears in the mirror. First, just one, gradually increasing until you're surrounded by 91 girls. And then, you're chosen to be the 92nd Masaki. They say the chosen student's uniform gradually turns red, while others still see it as the normal navy blue to the wearer. It appears bright red. Recently, supernatural phenomena involving smartphones have also been reported. If you take a photo in front of the school at 222 a.m., girls in red uniforms appear in the image. Post that photo on social media, and you'll be followed by 91 Masakis. All accounts have the same profile picture, a girl with identical features. You receive a message saying, "You have been chosen," and after that, the poster invariably disappears. In April 2024, during the school's demolition work, a shocking discovery was made. 91 sets of remains were found buried in 4 distinct layers. One body in the deepest layer, 30 bodies in each layer above. Next to each set of remains was a carefully folded red uniform. And in each uniform's pocket was an old photograph showing a girl with the same face. Construction was immediately halted. The workers began disappearing one after another. On the site supervisor's desk, a note was found. The Masakis are calling me. Soon, the circle of 92 will be complete. The school is currently off limits. However, on full moon nights, strange phenomena continue to be reported. The school windows glow red, and people hear girls singing. In the schoolyard, 92 girls in red uniforms are seen dancing in a circle, all wearing the same face, Masaki's face. Those who hear this story are warned to observe these precautions. Never pass by the school between 2:22 a.m. and 2:27 a.m. on a full moon night. If a girl in a red uniform asks you, "Where is Masaki?" never answer. If you receive 91 notifications on your smartphone, turn it off immediately. And most importantly, if your reflection in the mirror looks even slightly different, leave immediately, because you might have been chosen as the 93rd Masaki. One informant left this testimony. My friend's cousin lived near that school. She saw a girl in a red uniform on a full moon night. The next day, her own uniform began turning red, though everyone else saw it as normal navy blue. A week later, she disappeared. In her final message, she wrote, "I am becoming Masaki. Soon, I will go to welcome the 93rd. Old local newspaper archives contain this peculiar record. In 1973, a series of disappearances occurred at Midorigaoka Junior High School. A female teacher had arrived in April. Her name was also Masaki Sato. Between May and July, 30 female students vanished. All were last seen in the third-floor bathroom. And before summer break, Masaki Sensei disappeared as well. A folded red uniform was found on her desk. According to student testimonies from that time, Masaki Sensei exhibited strange behavior. I saw her talking to mirrors when alone. I spotted her walking around the school at night wearing a red uniform. She kept muttering, 'It's almost complete.' Going further back, a similar incident reportedly occurred in 1952. On May 3rd of that year, a female student disappeared. Her name was Masaki Sato. Rumors say she was killed by her homeroom teacher in the third-floor bathroom. The teacher reportedly committed suicide, but their face was contorted in extreme terror. There were strangulation marks on their neck, and a large crack in the nearby mirror. Among current Midorigaoka students, another rumor circulates. Sometimes at night, piano music can be heard in the school building. Even though the piano in the music room is kept locked, it's always the same song. A mysterious song called Our Circle that nobody else knows. Sung by 91 girls' voices. The lyrics are said to go, "Wearing red uniforms, forming a circle. Let's complete our eternal reign. Come, new Masaki. We'll meet you soon." Recently, even more unsettling phenomena have been reported. After the demolition work was halted, local residents witnessed a strange sight. On a full moon night, 92 girls stood in a circle in the schoolyard, all wearing red uniforms, all with the same face. In the center was what appeared to be an altar, with one empty seat. The 93rd seat. According to witnesses, the girls kept repeating these words. Soon, the circle will be complete. The 93rd Masaki is coming. The eternal ring will be complete. Local security cameras occasionally capture strange footage. Girls in red uniforms walking in a single file. One by one, their figures become transparent. The last girl always turns to face the camera and smiles. An elderly local resident left a significant testimony. This land was originally a boundary. a boundary between the world of the living and the dead. A Miko named Masaki sacrificed herself to protect this boundary. Her soul split into 7 parts, reincarnating across 7 eras. In each era, she gathers 30 souls. In the final era, all souls will become one, and become a new deity. According to the Elder, 2024 is the final era. Indeed, since the year began, inexplicable disappearances have been occurring. Girls meeting these specific criteria have been vanishing one after another. Age 14. Lives with both parents. Family of 3. Has the character Sake in their name. Born on May 3rd. Has passed by Midorigaoka Junior High School. Before disappearing, they reportedly show common signs. Suddenly preferring red clothes, spending long hours in front of mirrors, repeatedly murmuring, "I will become Masaki," and they always leave this note before vanishing. "I am Masaki. Soon, I will go to welcome the new Masaki." The head priest of a nearby shrine shared this account. Ancient shrine documents contain a strange record from 100 years ago. Every full moon night, a Miko named Masaki would pray alone. "The power of this land must be sealed," she would say. But one full moon night, she vanished. After that, strange phenomena began occurring on the shrine grounds. People witnessed girls in red hakama dancing in a circle, starting with 1, gradually increasing to 91, all wearing Masaki's face. The phenomena reportedly continued even after the shrine was demolished, and Midorigaoka Junior High School was built on the site. Sightings are particularly common in these locations. 3rd floor bathroom where the main shrine hall once stood. Music room, former prayer hall location. Center of the schoolyard where the sacred tree once stood. According to a local Miko, this place holds special power. The power of the boundary between life and death. Regular rituals were needed to seal this power. However, these rituals ceased when the shrine was demolished. Instead, Masaki's soul split into 7 parts to continue the seal. In a new form. Recently, strange rumors have spread online as well. Photos taken in front of Midorigaoka Junior High School at 222 a.m. always capture a girl in a red uniform. When these photos are posted on social media, they receive follows from 91 Masakis. All accounts have the same profile picture of an identical girl, and they always receive this message: "You have been chosen by us." Strange footage has reportedly been captured by the convenience store's security cameras. A girl in a red uniform browsing the shelves late at night. Yet she never appears in the checkout camera footage. The staff say no one visited the store that night. More disturbingly, any items the girl touches in the footage disappear the next day. The security camera's timestamp always freezes at 222 a.m. The date stamp always shows May 3rd. Among local children, a peculiar game has become popular. A game called Playing Masaki. On full moon nights, they gather in front of the school and form a circle. They chant 3 times, "Masaki-san, Masaki-san, please choose us." They say a girl in a red uniform appears inside the circle. However, certain rules must be followed. The circle must have exactly 91 people. Everyone must wear red. No one can look behind them. No one can respond if Masaki speaks. Breaking these rules results in the person inside the circle vanishing. The next day, there's always one more Masaki in a red uniform. Smartphone-related phenomena are particularly concerning. At midnight, 91 notifications suddenly arrive, all from accounts named Masaki. The notification sound is a girl's laughter. The screen displays the message, "You have been chosen." If this happens, these actions must be avoided. Don't open the messages. Don't take photos. Don't look in mirrors. Don't wear red clothes. Don't say the name, Masaki. Recently, a new challenge has become popular among teenagers, called the Masaki Challenge. The procedure is as follows. Take a photo of Midorigaoka Junior High School at 2:22 a.m. on a full moon night. Post it with the hashtag Masaki Challenge. Wait for 91 likes within 22 minutes. Face a mirror and say, "Masaki-san, please come," 3 times. When successful, strange changes occur on their smartphone. The wallpaper changes by itself, first showing one girl in a red uniform, adding one more every hour. After 24 hours, the screen is filled with girls, all wearing the same face. A high school girl reported this experience. After completing the challenge, a girl in a red uniform always appears in her phone's camera. Deleting doesn't work. Any photos posted to social media are replaced with the girl's image. Location services always show Midorigaoka Junior High School, even from miles away. At midnight, she receives 91 calls, all from contacts named Masaki. When answered, a chorus of 91 girls singing can be heard. After this, the student disappeared. Her final social media post read, "I too will become Masaki. Next, I will come to welcome you." The local police station has received strange reports. While driving near Midorigaoka Junior High School, car navigation systems malfunction. The destination automatically sets to Midorigaoka Junior High School. A voice announces 91 minutes until arrival. Even when changing routes, they're inevitably guided to the school. The estimated arrival time is always 2:22 a.m. The school's security system has recorded peculiar events. Security cameras activate one after another at night. The footage shows girls in red uniforms. They move through the school in a specific pattern, first gathering in the music room, then moving to the third-floor bathroom, finally forming a circle in the schoolyard. Strangely, the motion sensors don't trigger, yet the thermal sensors detect 91 body temperatures. According to security company records, this phenomenon occurs in 20-year cycles. More terrifying are the testimonies of security guards who viewed the footage. After watching, their behavior changes. They start seeing girls in red uniforms. They claim their reflection is changing. They repeat, "Masaki is calling," and they inevitably disappear. The final security log entry always reads, "Confirmed 91st Masaki, awaiting emergence of new Masaki." Local hospitals report, patients who walked near Midorigaoka Junior High School developed strange symptoms, seeing different faces in mirrors, perceiving their clothes as red, hearing multiple girls' voices, repeatedly mumbling the name, Masaki. Doctors find no physical abnormalities, yet these patients invariably disappear. Their final hospital record always contains the same text, "I am Masaki. I will go to welcome the new Masaki." Railway station staff report these sightings. At the station nearest to Midorigaoka Junior High School, strange phenomena occur. At 2:22 a.m., 91 girls in red uniforms pass through the ticket gates, all wearing identical uniforms, yet no transit card records exist. They don't appear on security cameras. They form a line and descend onto the tracks from the platform's edge. Station staff who follow them invariably go missing. The emergency security cameras show staff members following the girls in red uniforms onto the tracks. Yet mysteriously, no emergency stop buttons are pressed. No sensors are triggered, as if they've vanished from this world entirely. Among taxi drivers, strange rumors circulate. Late at night, a girl in a red uniform sometimes hails a cab in front of Midorigaoka Junior High School. She always says, "I'm looking for Masaki." Without stating a destination, the car naturally begins circling the school. The meter always stops at $2,222.22.22. When drivers look back, the rear seat is empty. Yet the security camera shows 91 girls. Smartphone map applications report strange occurrences. When searching for Midorigaoka Junior High School, unusual messages appear. 91 minutes to destination. Masaki is waiting for you. Warning, this route may be one way. The navigation voice becomes a chorus of girls. And every route, regardless of choice, leads to the school. Estimated arrival time always 2:22 a.m. Ride-sharing apps report bizarre experiences. When requesting a ride near Midorigaoka Junior High School late at night, a red car is always assigned. The driver information shows only Masaki. Estimated arrival always 22 minutes. But 91 identical cars arrive. Same car, same driver, multiplied. Upon entering, girls in red uniforms gradually appear inside. One passenger's final message read, "I too will become one of the Masakis. Soon, I'll come to welcome you." A Masaki trick video is trending on streaming platforms. At 2:22 a.m., activate your smartphone's front camera. Say, "Masaki-san, please appear," 3 times. A girl in a red uniform appears behind you. First 1. The number increases with each comment. When the 91st comment appears, the stream forcibly ends. The streamer's account gets deleted. Yet the video automatically plays at midnight. Duration always 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Showing girls in red uniforms dancing in a circle. Viewers see this message. You are the 92nd viewer. Masaki has chosen you. Smartwatch users report sequential anomalies. Near Midorigaoka Junior High School, devices record abnormal data. Heart rate locks at 91 BPM. Step count freezes at 2,222. Location permanently shows in front of the red Torii gate. More mysteriously, girls in red uniforms appear on the screen. 91 notifications arrive. All messages from Masaki. Same content. We'll meet soon. Fitness apps record strange activities. A new exercise type appears. Circle dance. Calories burned always 222. Duration 22 minutes 22 seconds. Participants listed 91. Local laundromats spread unsettling rumors. Red uniforms appear among the laundry at midnight. They can't be retrieved from any machine. Yet security cameras show 91 red uniforms. And girls in uniforms dancing in a circle before the washers. Timestamp frozen at 2:22 a.m. ATMs exhibit supernatural behavior. At midnight, receipt statements show bizarre transactions. Transaction with Masaki 2,222. Branch Midorigaoka School Gate. Time 2:22 a.m. Red uniformed girls appear on the back of receipts. Security footage shows 91 girls queuing at the ATM. Yet no transaction records exist. Digital payment histories contain mysterious entries. Payments at Midorigaoka bus stop. Always 2,222. Time 2:22 a.m. Merchant, Masaki store. But no such store exists. Checking the history turns smartphone screens blood red. This message appears. Thank you for your purchase. You are our 92nd customer. A special gift awaits you. Join us at Midorigaoka Junior High School at 2:22 a.m. From the Masakis, emergency broadcast systems occasionally emit strange announcements. At 2:22 a.m., a chorus of girls begins singing, wearing our red uniforms, dancing in our circle. A new Masaki. We'll meet you soon. The source can't be traced to any equipment. Yet the emergency system logs show 91 broadcasts. Sender name for all, Masaki. Weather websites display unusual forecasts. For the area around Midorigaoka Junior High School. Tonight full moon. 91% chance of Masaki manifestation. Poor visibility. Red shadows may be visible. Special warning to be issued at 2:22 a.m. The forecaster's notes read, tonight, a new Masaki will be born. Online games report supernatural occurrences. At 2:22 a.m., regardless of the game, screens turn red. 91 users named Masaki simultaneously enter the chat, all sending the message, let's play together. Responding causes players' avatars to change into girls in red uniforms. Location always shows as Midorigaoka Junior High School. Player movement becomes restricted to dancing in circles in the schoolyard. Live streaming platforms experience paranormal events. During late-night streams, screens suddenly turn red. Viewer count locks at 91. The comment section fills with Masakis, using identical avatars, repeating. We're looking for the new Masaki. Won't you join our circle? The 92nd will be chosen soon. The streamer's appearance gradually changes until they become a girl in a red uniform. Voice-activated speakers report inexplicable responses. At midnight, calling out, Masaki-san, brings responses from 91 girls' voices. Yes, we are here. Let's dance together. The red uniform suits you. The speakers emit red light without command. More frighteningly, speaker owners sometimes disappear. The final recorded conversation often goes, can I become Masaki too? Yes, very soon. But I'm scared. Don't worry. All 91 of us will always be with you. Street surveillance cameras capture mysterious footage. Girls in red uniforms walking in single file at night. Always 91 of them. All facing the same direction. Walking in perfect sync. Strangely, their footsteps make no sound. They appear on camera but trigger no security sensors. They don't show up on infrared cameras. Yet they leave red footprints behind. Exactly 91 footprints in a straight line. All pointing toward Midorigaoka Junior High School. Self-service registers report supernatural occurrences. At midnight, a girl in a red uniform appears on the checkout screen. Customer #92 inches announces the system. Special Masaki discount appears on display. The total always comes to 2,222. Receipts print with this message. Next meeting 2:22 a.m. at Midorigaoka Junior High School. E-readers display paranormal phenomena. At midnight, every book opens to the same page. A book titled Masaki's Records. Always 91 pages, containing diaries of girls in red uniforms. The final page reads, Page 92 will be written by you. Library self-checkout machines experience strange events. At midnight, 91 books automatically check out. All titled, Masaki's Story. Return date always, May 3rd, 2:22 a.m. Library card name, Midorigaoka School, Masaki. Yet these books don't exist in the library. Karaoke boxes play mysterious songs. A song titled Masaki's Ring Dance. No artist name displayed. Instead, 91 Masakis flashes on screen. The song plays without selection. Video shows girls in red uniforms dancing in a circle. Score always shows 222 points. After selecting next singer appears, girls reflect in the room's mirrors. Digital signage screens transform at night. Regular advertisements switch to footage of girls in red uniforms. Text reads, now recruiting new Masaki. Requirements 14-year-old female student. Positions 192nd member. Interview location Midorigaoka Junior High School. Interview time 2:22 a.m. When photographing the screen with smartphones, hidden text appears. You have already been chosen. The head priest of the local shrine shares an ancient prophecy. The 3 shrines Miko were actually one soul, split across time into 91 forms, waiting for the final soul to complete them. Indeed, on full moon nights, strange phenomena occur. The school building's shadow splits into 3 shrine shapes. Red light leaks from each location. The lights converge in the air, forming a massive torii gate. Girls in red uniforms walk beneath it, all wearing the same face, singing the same song. Let's wait for the 92nd me. Let's form our eternal bond. Let's protect this sacred ground. Recently, a construction site guard witnessed this scene. At midnight, 91 red lanterns appeared floating above the schoolyard. Their flames wouldn't extinguish in wind or rain. Girls stood beneath each lantern, appearing to prepare for some ritual. A large mirror stood in the center, with one red uniform laid before it. A uniform for someone, for the 92nd Masaki. Now, the final ritual is said to be beginning at Midorigaoka Junior High School. A full moon night, the scheduled demolition date, the day to welcome the 92nd soul. The emergency broadcast system suddenly blares, 91 voices announcing in unison. It begins. The final ring dance. The eternal barrier. All electronic devices in town begin to malfunction simultaneously. Smartphone screens turn red. Security cameras all point toward Midorigaoka Junior High School. Digital signage displays images of the Masakis. All clocks freeze at 2:22 a.m. Computer screens show 91 Masakis. And a new rumor spreads through town. Someone witnessed girls walking toward Midorigaoka Junior High School. 91 in red uniforms, all with the same face, humming the same song. As they approach the school, their figures become translucent. One by one, they're absorbed into mirrors. Police arrive too late when called, yet they always appear on security footage. 91 girls waiting for the final one. The local elder says, this is not an ending. It's a new beginning. 92 souls will become one, becoming the new guardian of this land. And then, a new legend will begin. So be careful when passing Midorigaoka Junior High School on a full moon night, receiving 91 notifications at 2:22 a.m., noticing your reflection slowly changing, being asked, where is Masaki? By a girl in a red uniform. Perhaps you might be the 92nd Masaki. Are there any unfamiliar notifications on your phone right now? Is your uniform still its normal color in the mirror? And is someone standing behind you? Why not turn around and look? Surely, 91 Masakis are waiting for you. Won't you dance with us? The story ends here, but you might want to keep those 91 notifications on your phone. And if a girl in a red uniform visits your channel at 2:22 a.m., don't forget to subscribe. The Masakis are waiting for you.